How to withdraw money from Fiverr. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for fiverr.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to tap on this profile picture icon. And then in here, if you see this option, switch to buying, then you are good to go to proceed to the next step. But if you see here, switch to selling, all you need to do is to tap on that one. Once you're done, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this billing and payments option. After that, it will show you all the informations under your billing and payments. In here, you will be given information from billing history, billing info, balances, and then payment methods. So in here, if you want to withdraw money, what you need to do is to tap on this balances option. And then after that, in here, you will see your earnings, cancel orders, and then credits. So to proceed to the next step, what you need to do is to tap on this earnings page. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this add payout method. After that, you will be given 3 options from Payoneer account, bank transfer, and then PayPal account. So since I only have PayPal account, all I need to do is to select on this one, and then after that, we'll have to tap on continue. In here, we'll have to type our email address that is connected to our PayPal account. Once we're done with that, we'll have to tap on this continue option. Once you do that, a verification code will be sent to a phone number that is linked to your PayPal account. Once you're done verifying your PayPal account, that's when you will be able to withdraw money from Fiverr. So that's how easy we can withdraw money from Fiverr. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.